Hello guys, this is Dubai Chaudhary. In this video, I want to show you top 5 binary broker platform. So let's get started the video. Number 5. Number 5 is Expert Option is a binary option trading platform that aims to make financial market accessible to wide audience. It's established in 2020. It has become one of the top downloaded financial apps worldwide with over 70 million registered users in this platform. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, social trading feature, and educational resource to help traders to all experience level. Expert Option provides 6 different types of account, including a micro account with a low minimum deposit, about $10. It supports various payment method, Scale, Neteller, and Binance, and others. Offers mobile app on Android and iOS devices, both of which are highly related in their respective storage. The platform also features a social trading radar, which helps to users to inform decision and trading robot that can be used to both demo account and live account. However, Expert Option is an offshore broker and does not have a license to provide the financial service in some countries, including the United States, Canada, Switzerland, and others. The broker does not offer investment programs and has a protected verification procedure which can take up 3 to 7 days. The platform a variety of education materials including webinars and video tutorials and glossary of trading terms. It also provides a free demo account and access to over 100 instruments with a professional investment condition. Expert Option is available in all other countries, Asia and others country. It overall rating is 5.8 out of 10. In this video, number 4 is Olympic Trade. Olympic Trade is an online trading platform that offers affordable and easy trading for everyone. It is a reliable broker that supports 13 languages and offer demo account for practice without risking real money. Olympic Trade offers a fixed time trade, stock and forex and trading models and supports low cost forex pairs like GBP USD. The platform provides educational resource, analytics and video lesson and trading tips, market news and 24/7 customer support. Olympic Trade is decided to making the online trading experience as procedure as possible and offer quick and easy deposit and withdraw. It is a great choice for new beginners and has a rating is 4.34 out of 10. In this video, number 3 is IQ Option. IQ Option provides a demo account for practice and offers a mobile app. Although it is previously banned by Apple Store, but the platform has a mixed reputation with some users praising the smooth and easy users to interface, while others have raised a concern about the limitlessly the investment products and the bogus practice. IQ Option features including binary option, CEB stock, forex, cryptocurrency, and EFT prediction and 24/7 customer support, multi-fillers, leverage, education resource. However, the platform has been criticized for the wide based and based which overall rating 5.66 out of 10. Number 2, Pocket Option is an online trading platform that offers binary option and forex trading. It is registered in the Marshall Islands and it's not regulated by the government agency. The company is also a member of the International Financial Market Regulation Regulatory Center IFMRC and Non-Commercial Reputation Resolution Organization. Pocket Option experts clients from various countries about the state, the European Union and Japan. The platform provides a wide range of underlying assets for trading, including currency, pairs, cryptocurrency, materials, and energy products. It offers a user-friendly interface, fast deposit and withdraw, and mobile application for trading on the go. However, there are mixed reviews about the platform, with some users praising the convenience and modern feature, while others have raised concern about difficulties with withdrawals and platform scam individual. That's before embedding the integrated offshore brokers like Pocket Option. Overall rating 8.3 out of 10. Number 1 and number last is quotex option by quotex or quotex. Quotex is an online trading platform that specializes the binary option, forex and cryptocurrency trading. Established in 2019, quotex is owned by a Osmo Limited company and based at Squirrels. The platform offers a user-friendly interface, free demo accounts, educational resource, and trading signals. Quotex supports about 50 trading assets, including the major currency pairs, commodities, and stock. The platform does not charge additional commission and allow deposit starting at $10. Quotex is not regulated by a major financial authorities, but it is a member of the International Financial Market Regulation Center. Quotex is suitable for new traders as a provide educational resource and a friendly interface beginners to get started with trading. However, it is essential exercise with caution and contacted due diligence before investing any money, as the platform is not regulated by major financial authorities. Overall rating 9.8 out of 10. In this video, number 1 is the best and number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is all is the best. I hope you can try this trading platform. So this is the video top 5 trading platform, and if you enjoy this video, please give the subscribe button and hit the like button, comment below. So till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.